In my previous video, I talked about a function. What is function, how it is called. So we know the syntax of function is function name, return type and arguments. Now there may be functions where return type may be absent. There may be functions where arguments may be absent, or the function can be like that where return type, arguments both are absent. From this point of view, we can say there are four types of function. One is function with arguments and return value. Here I have taken a small example. Just input two numbers and add them. I have taken three variables. Two numbers have been inputted and the sum function is called. This function where return type is integer and arguments integer x, integer y, because value of a and b are passing and x is catching value of a, y is catching value of b. Here I have taken another variable x, z equal to x plus y. So I am returning z. Value of z is returned here. C is catching that value. Value of C is printed. There may be other category where I am not passing any arguments from main function. So this is the function with no arguments and with return value. In main function I have taken a variable z which is catching the result of sum function. Here this parenthesis is empty because there is no argument. This is the function. Here is return type integer, function is sum, and this argument parenthesis is empty because it's not catching any arguments. No arguments are passing from the main function. Here I have taken another variables, input number 1, input number 2, and result z equal to x plus y. From here value of z is returned. This z is catching that result and it is printed. So this is category 2. This is other category of function which is passing arguments, but it's not returning any value. So here I have taken again two numbers, number 1, number 2. These are inputted and sum function is called with parameters. Here function declaration sum. Whenever function doesn't return any value, that return type is called void. This function is not returning any value, so I have to write void here and arguments a and b. I have taken another variable c is equal to a plus b and sum is printed here. No value is returned from this function to the main function, but control should be back to the main function from where it is called. So I have to write empty return, just return. Now the fourth type or another pattern is where there is no return type and there is no arguments, just a function sum, empty parenthesis. In the main, just one line. Now see the function void. Since it is not returning any value, sum function is called and parenthesis is empty. In this function I have taken two numbers, I have inputted, and z equal to x plus y, result is printed here, and only the return statement, since control should be back to the main function. So, these are the 4 types or patterns we can write functions. This is up to our choice in which pattern we will write.